Good morning and welcome to Velvet Hammer Fitness here on Patreon. Well, it is time for your January Jackhammer Challenge, and today we are doing a body weight blitz. So this workout is modeled after a boot camp workout that I designed for my local friends. We did a couple weeks ago, and I hope you'll love it just as much as they did. And by love, I mean love it, be challenged by it. So you're going to do a lot of different formats. We're going to have a lot of Tabata pairs in between some HIIT groups of varying intervals. It should keep you anything but bored. You won't have a lot of repeating sections except those Tabata pairs, which will be repetition enough. So should be fun, should go by fast, and for what it lacks in time, it will make up for in intensity. So you don't need anything for this workout except water, probably a couple towels, and your amazing body, but you could add a weighted vest to any of this to make it harder, okay? We've got some fun push-up variations in here, some fun moves we haven't done in a while or maybe ever together. So gear up for that, get excited, get your can-do attitude strapped right on, and I will see you back here for the warm-up. All right, guys, let's get your body weight blitz started with a good warm-up. All right, we're just gonna step and reach. First of all, you can take your reach this way if you want to warm up your back more, or if you want some side body action, go ahead and reach it up. This isn't like a huge curtsy, down this far and reach. This is just a nice little step just to get you warmed up, to get this body weight party started. Got a lot more room without the old Christmas tree. And I got it down before February. Winning. One more each side. Alright, we're going to go straight into some lunges. They can be nice and shallow, like this. And as we get down into that range of motion that we're wanting, we can start pushing a little harder. If you have angry joints, keep it shallow here. Okay, one more each side. Here's the 1, 2. Shake it out. All right, now we're going to go into some slow groiners, but then we're going to twist. So, slow groiner, twist, down. Slow groiner, twist, down. Warming up our thoracic spine here. One more each side. All right, now let's go ahead and do some knee push-ups. So, we're going to make sure our hands are midway between our chests and shoulders. We're going to push into the outside of those palms. We're going to lower our chest first. Look about 6 inches ahead of us. Warm up those arms. Just starting off on the knees here. Get everything more. Let's hit 2 more. Awesome. Stretch it back a little bit. Hop it up. Your last move in your warm-up is going to be a reach side to side. So really sit back. As you get super warm, reach for those toes. Send the hips back. You may only be able to get to here. That's totally fine. As you feel warm, try to push that reach a little further. You may hear some cracking and snapping. My hips always do that. 3, 2, 1. Very good, guys. Your warm-up is finished. We're going to head right into a fun Tabata pair. Alright guys, we're heading into our first Tabata pair. It's going to be walkout push-ups with a pulse and then a 180 jump. Then we're going to do some angry donkeys. So I'm so sorry in advance for those. Alright, you have 10 seconds. Hopefully my donkey won't kick any tables with computers on them. Alright, so walkout push-up first. There we go, 20 seconds each move. Walking it out. Push-up, pulse. Back up. 180. Walkout push-up. Pulse. Now, you can do whatever kind of 180 jump you want. So if you want to do a heel click, totally fine. Alright, angry donkeys. Hopefully I don't kick a window out here. I'm going to give you a couple modifications for these because these are not always everyone's favorite move. So you can take it here, angry donkey this way, just heel click instead of going into the full angry thing. Good times. Now you can also add a heel click at the top. Back to those walkout push-ups. Here we go. Take it down. Push up, pulse. You can tuck to get the other way. You can heel click. Whatever you want to do. Very good. We got angry donkeys now. There we go. You can take it here. You could add a heel click at the top. Very good. Whatever you want to do. You want to stick to a heel click and plank, heel click at the top. I don't blame you one bit. My mat is slipping a little bit, so my donkeys may be injured donkeys before it's all said and done. Very good. All right, we're at 6 of 8 here. Start off in that pike position. You can heel click here. Very good. Sometimes those donkeys don't get off the ground too awful well. Tight core for that one is important. Here we go. Walkout push-ups. Very good. Angry donkeys. Last time for these. We'll go into a fun HIIT set. Here we go. Tight position. Very good. Awesome job. You have a HIIT set next. It is going to start with 3 groiners and an ISO lunge hop or a pulse. We're going to do some flying leg push-ups or single leg push-ups. We're going to do a butt kick with an add-on Rockstar. and then yoga tricep push-up to dolphin. The neat part about this is you only go through it once, okay? So you have 15 seconds to knock this out, or to rest before you knock it out. Right, 3 groiners, ISO lunge hop. There we go. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hop it for 2 if you want. 1, 2, 3. Hop for 2. If you don't want to hop, there's the option to pulse for 2. Pulse for 2. Only have to do this once, so give it your all. Very good. Very, very good. I'm gonna grab a towel. Single leg push-ups or flying leg push-ups are next. So, if you are nervous about single leg push-ups or flying leg push-ups, what you can do is go right on your knees, okay? Engage the glute as you lift that leg behind. And there's your single leg push-up, okay? If you're gonna fly, fly. Use your abs, control those legs. 5 seconds. Very good. Nice work. All right, butt kickers. Add on Rockstar. I'm going to do 4 butt kickers before I add on. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 1. 1, 2, 3. Here's 2. 1, 1, 2, 3. There's 4. 4. There's 5. 2, 4, 5. 1, 4. Here comes 6. Woo! Take a little break if you need to just butt kick. Here comes 7. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Almost got to 8. All right. Yoga tricep push-up to a dolphin push-up. You can stick to tricep push-ups here. You can stick to knee push-ups. For the yoga ones, you can do the whole thing. It's up to you. Okay, you want to do these on your knees, just stick here with the yoga tricep. Okay? If you're doing them on your toes, yoga push-up, back to dolphin, up. So, dip your nose, dip your hips, which we usually tell you never to do in a push-up, but this is different. Dip those elbows. Nose, hips, elbows. Nose, hips, elbows. Whew. Good job. All right. We are going straight on to another Tabata pair, which is going to be 4 plank jacks, 2 tuck jumps, and then we're going to hit some double burpees. So I'll see you right back here for that. All right, guys, you got 10 seconds before this Tabata pair. We're going to start off with those plank jacks and tuck jumps. Double burpee just means 2 of everything. 2 push-ups, 2 plank hops, 2 jumps. Okay? And that will be your second move. Here we go. So, down you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hop it up. 1, 2. Back down. Very good. Into those double burpees right away. Here we go. 2 push-ups. 2 plank hops. So you can take them wide or narrow. 2 jumps. Here's a narrow plank hop. Jump it up. Very good. Very, very good. Back to your first move. Plank jacks and tucks. You don't have to do tucks here. You can do any kind of jump you want. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just do a jump or a move that challenges you. That's my only requirement of you. I wasn't doing tuck jumps. I was just jumping. Whoops. Hope you did the right thing. I was thinking about trying to get up high. All right, double burpees. We'll do this one right. Here we go. 2 push-ups. 2 plank hops. 2 regular jumps. Or whatever jump you want. 2 push-ups. 2 plank hops. Good. Hopefully I'll get this other one right this time. Woo. 4 plank jacks. 1, 2, get the hips down. Here come the tucks. Woo. Try to make these as dynamic as you can, one right after the other. Very good. Whew. Double burpees. Breathe it out. Here we go. Push up. Push up. Plank hop. Had to remember what jump I was doing for a minute. Here's a wide plank hop. Do you like that better? Very good. Plank jacks for the last time with those tucks. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up for your tuck. Dynamic. As soon as you land, explode up. Very good. Double burpees. Last time. So dry in my house, I've got some serious static happening. There we go, 2 push-ups. 2 froggers. 4 plank hops. 2 jumps. 5 seconds. Here we go. Very good. Very, very good. All right. You have another HIIT set. That is only 4 rounds. It's 45-15. You're going to start with flutter kicks to a boat hold. So that's an ab move. You're going to go to some T-stand push-ups to leg lift and toe touch. Another shoulder ab move. Heel click burpees, top and bottom. You're going to add a heel click. Then we're going to go to some scorpion hip dips or scorpion push-ups if you want to do that, okay? So, oh my. All right, you have 15 seconds to get into this party time. All right, starting off with those flutter kicks to a boat hold. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, this does 5. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Awesome. All right, we're going straight into a T-stand push-up to a leg lift and a toe touch. So, what we're going to do here is that T-stand push-up. Come over, leg lift, toe touch. Okay, switch sides. T-stand push-up, leg lift, toe touch. My baby guy just woke up. I don't know if you could hear his sneeze or not. He wakes up with a sneeze, usually each morning. There we go. Leg lift, toe touch. Getting a nice crunch in there. Getting some oblique work for sure. Balance. You can do these from your hips also. Very good. Nice, nice. Your next move is going to be a heel click burpee. Doing a heel click on the bottom and up at the top. Here we go. All right. Push up. Heel click. Heel click. Push up. Heel click. You can take the push up out and just do a heel click on the bottom and the top. Whatever you want to do. I like that push up. Push ups make us stronger all over. So I'm always probably going to opt for that push up when I can. 4 seconds. Very good. Whew. Scorpion push-ups or the hip dips. I'll show you both. Scorpion hip dip would be a glute raise. Take it over, dip that hip, switch legs. Okay, awkward move. You're just dipping that hip, sending that leg high, and then over, so that the weight is all being taken care of by one side. Now a scorpion push-up, same thing, glute lift, reptile. Okay, glute lift, reptile. All right, so we're just gonna stick with the hip dips for that one. Okay, now we are on to your next Tabata pair. We're gonna do runners, lunge, toe taps, left foot forward. Then immediately after that, after your 10 seconds, we're doing ISO lunge hops on the same leg for this entire pair. We're not switching over. This is going to be a real mental as well as physical challenge for that left leg. We'll hit the right leg later, so don't worry. If you're short on time and want to stop it after this pair, then just do 2 and 2, okay? So, here we go. 10 seconds. We will get into our brutal Tabata for the left leg. All right, here we go. Down in that runner's lunge, we're going to tap that back foot, which is going to be your right this time. I want you to tap on the front. As you do, think about your core, think about your glute. Pressure's here, not a lot of pressure in the hands. 2, 1. Very good. You are going to ISO lunge hop or pulse here for your next 20 seconds. So you're either here pulsing or you're hopping right on that leg. Pushing hard with each hop. 2, 1. Ouch, hurting already. I did a little bit of a glute workout yesterday and then went skating. This wasn't the smartest progression I could have made here when it comes to my split, but I needed to get this recorded for you guys. So here I am. Tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it. Hopefully that'll go off. Somebody's trying to call me right now. Goodness, okay. All right. Why in the world? Only time I get a phone call is when I'm on video. It's beyond me. Here we go. Hops. Some people like that all their devices will get calls. Sometimes I don't want to be gotten. Anybody like that? Whew. Awesome. All right. Sweating so much, it's coming out my nose here. All right. Back to those taps. 5 of 8 here. Same leg is forward. Oh, it's starting to burn. Try to have very little pressure in those hands. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. All right. We're gonna hop next. 6 of 8. You can do this around this side. Think about your glute. Whew. 5, 2, 1. Ooh, nice, nice. We're back into those taps. Back into those taps. Last set of those runner's lunge toe taps and ISO lunge hops. Here we go. Tap that toe. Drive the weight into that heel. Feel it right there in the glutes. Make sure you tap. Squeeze those abs when you tap. This is not just a leg move. It's sneaky abs. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. All right, you got your 10 seconds. Three, 2, 1. Ready for those hops or the pulses. Almost there. 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. All right. All right, your next set, we're going to do 2 rounds of. It's very ab focused, a little Pilates focused, if you will. It is going to be, I believe, 40-10 or 30-10 intervals. We're going to start with some V crosses up and down. So you have got 10 seconds there. We're going to start off with those V leg crosses. So just like it sounds, we're going to start in that V. 30 seconds here. I thought it was 40. I think we have 40 later. You're taking that V down. All the way up. All the way down. If you are not as strong in the core department, you don't have to take them all the way down. I'm running into stuff here. I'm going to be really careful. Good. All right, reverse crunches. We're going to try to drive those hips as high as we can into the air. So, here we go. All right, drive those hips up. Try to control. Try not to swing this way, but drive the hips up. We've got these moves twice to reinforce that burn. Very good. All right, your next one is going to be bicycles on the left. So you can either do just a bicycle crunch where you come up here, or you can sit up and twist. Staying only on the left here. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Whew, good times. All right, stay on the ground. You're going to do some pointed toe straight leg lifts. So basically, you are here. Okay? Nice and slow. You can speed them up for 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then go back slow and controlled. 3 and 4. Very good. All right, V heel clicks. Basically, we're clicking at the top, we're going down, clicking at the bottom. Okay, click here, click here, click here, click here. You can keep them at the top, make this more of an inner thigh move while keeping your core engaged. That's also good. I think I like that better, actually. But you can always, again, click at the bottom and click at the top. Very good. Done with that one. Now we're going to bicycle towards that right side. I like to turn mine around this way because my house is downhill. Get a little help. So you can do the sit-up or just crunch to that one side. If you are crunching, make your twist deliberate. Sorry, if you are sitting up, make that twist deliberate. Also make it deliberate in your crunch and blow out. All right, we are back to the beginning. We're gonna cross those feet. I'm gonna do it this way because I have a little more room, even though I'm downhill, working at a bit of a deficit here. Take those legs, cross them all the way down. Working it down. Make your movements deliberate with those toes. Feel any ab burn, any inner thigh or hip flexor action? You should be. All right, reverse crunches. Then I'll turn around for those bicycles because downhill is no fun with those. Drive them up. Try to challenge yourself. How high can I get my hips off my mat? How much can I control the movement coming down? Very good. Bicycles. Left side only. And 1. Then we'll get ready to do some pointed straight leg lifts. Maybe this time we'll shoot for 4 slow, 8 fast. Are you guys having fun yet? Nice to have little abs in the middle. I get it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. All right. V heel clicks. We'll do those next. Turn back around for those to have room. Whew, so much logistics when it comes to having little space. Take them to a challenging point for you in your range of motion. Keep them there. Squeeze in, adduct those legs, which means bring them toward the midline. Now we're going to bicycle on the right. Up and towards the right. Here we go. And we'll go into that brutal Tabata Pair. Very good. All right, guys, we're ready to brutalize that right leg this time. We have runners, lunge, toe touches on the right, and then ISO lunge hops on the right. So you have 10 seconds before this madness. Give yourself a good drink. One, here we go. Oh yeah. Ready for the right leg to get a beat down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. All right, we're gonna hop it. Here we go. So you're either gonna pulse here, which is fine, or you're gonna hop. Found with the last set, after it burned for a while, it just got numb, so you have that to look forward to. Very good. All right, right leg forward, tap it. Woo, tap it. Here we go. Weight in your heel, light pressure in those fingers. Make sure that that toe taps each time. Don't go so fast that you miss the core engagement, that you miss the dynamic flexibility of the full range of motion. 1. Oh yeah. Whew. Pulses or hops. Here we go. My strength coach is in here with me today. I don't know if you guys saw my Instagram post where I was feeling happy that I could do cleans and presses again because of my shoulder with heavier weight. But my biggest guy was helping me film and coaching me. It was super awesome. And he's in here with me today. All right, here we go. Tap it. Oh, burning. Won't be as long as it has been. Tap it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. Feeling that ice skating from yesterday. Whew. Get a good quad stretch. Here we go, hop it out. Just focus. I'm focusing on a piece of wallpaper that's missing. And it gets pulled out when they're tiny. Whatever works for you. Shake it. It's okay if you have to shake it out if you go to failure. That's fine. I just want you to get to a point where you're really struggling. Here you go. Just push. 8 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, nice. Last one here. These are the times that try and in soles or soles of feet. Here we go. Push, 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 push. Nice and calm. Nice, good pace. 3, 2, 1, dig deep. Nice. Well, that's over as quickly as it started. All right, Your last group is going to be just kind of a little fun conditioning group. I have alternating side lunges into a jump for height in the center for you. I've got staggered push-ups as the next move, but since I didn't really explain to you about a scorpion push-up till the middle of or end of that interval that we only repeated once, I'll show you what one is here too in case you want to sub out that move. Then we've got shuffle burpees and shoulder, hip, and knee taps. You can also go and tap those toes while you're in that position. So you have 10 seconds. These I do believe are going to be our 40-10 intervals. So alternating side lunge with a hop in the center, jumping for height, using our arms is our first move. So jump for height, okay? Nice, good range of motion in those lunges. Get as low as you can to the side. Little change of pace where those legs telling you, hey, you just did some runner's lunge toe taps for a long time. Mine are. Just a few more seconds. Very good. All right. Staggered push-up. You know the drill on that. And I'll show you the scorpion. So staggered, one hand's in front, one hand's behind. Stagger. Okay? Your scorpion push-up. Plank, glute raise. Reptile push-up. Push back up. Switch sides. So there you go. Scorpion push-up. Still push through the outside of those palms. Okay? Your push-up rules of thumb always apply. So, moving my mat here for the shuffle burpee. I have room for one shuffle. So, alright, so shuffle, down, shuffle. You may have lots of room to shuffle. If so, utilize it. If not, stay low like I am. Make it dynamic. Sometimes less than 10. Very good. Shoulder, hip, and knee taps. All sorts of crashes going on here. Here we go. Hop into plank. All right. Shoulder, hip, knee, knee. You can stop it there, or you can shoulder, hip, knee, knee, toe, toe, okay? My mat's a little slippery, so I'm gonna have to be careful with that. Hip, knee, knee, toe, toe. Back into plank, shoulder, hip, knee, knee, toe, toe, shoulder. Very good. All right. We have all of that one more time. Then we'll go into your cool down. I thought we only had it once. Oops. Here we go. Baby sneezes going on in the background. The doctor said he's allergic to dust, but we don't have any dust here. Here we go. Big jump for height. 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Staggered push-up or that beautiful scorpion. Beauty's in the eye of the beholder. Here we go. So you're either here, staggering those arms. Or you're taking it into that scorpion push-up. One more, just to keep it even. All right, good job. Shuffle burpees. All right, keep it low. Keep it low. Try to be as dynamic as you can. You can add a hop at the top, or you can get right back into that shuffle. Faster and faster. Almost there. Give it some good effort. All you got. Awesome. Right. All sorts of taps are next. Here we go. Just 40 seconds. Shoulder, hip, knee, toe, toe, shoulder, hip. Depending on your arm length, you may have to step those hands back for all these. Knee and toes. Shoulder, hip, knee, knee, two toes. Very good, guys. You are finished with this workout. Add more sections if you want to. Can't take any away. But the next time you do this, you can do fewer things. You can combine those Tabata pairs, so you've got runner's lunge on the left and right in the same pair. Whatever you need to do to tackle that next right choice the day you're doing these workouts, do it, okay? It's much better to move a little bit less than to not move at all. So get toweled off. I will see you back here for our cool down. All right, guys, we're going to start your cool down with just some dynamic reverse lunges with a cactus arm, okay? Stretching out the chest here, okay? Alternate sides. Even send those arms up and back for that cactus. Stretching out the chest. Loving on those hip flexors. Here we go. One more. And up. All right. Shake it out a bit. We're going to come to both toes here. Just a little bit. The dynamic inner thigh stretch here. All right, now we're going to bring the left hand to the right foot. Straighten out those legs if you can. Twist your thoracic spine here. Lift through that chest, through the shoulder. Don't collapse here. Take it to the center. Come down on forearms if you can. Little hamstring stretch here. If you'd like to, you can interlace those fingers back behind. Mine are super sweaty. Hard to hang on. Release there. We're going to go to that other toe with the right hand. Twist the spine, lift. Nice active movement here. Awesome. Come up in the center, pivot that toe, the right toe to the front. Nice half lunge here. Arms up. Both arms to the left of that right foot. Open the hip. Sit the hips back. Alright, coming back up. Stepping the other foot forward. Stepping that first foot back. Pushing into hip flexors on the right here with a nice half lunge. Shoulders down, try not to shrug. All right, both hands to the right of that left foot now, opening up the hip. So important to have flexible hips for everything you do. Sending those hips back. You can keep the toes curled under for a nice toe stretch here in the back. All right, taking that back foot up to the front. And one more little hammy stretch here. And rolling it slowly back up. Now from here, we're going to take it into a quad stretch. We're going to take that opposite arm up, reach for the toes of the right foot. Relax the quad, send the hips forward. All right, switch sides. Awesome, take it down. Little arm stretch here, hook with that left arm, look over the right shoulder, getting shoulders here. Taking it back around for a tricep stretch. Pull to the opposite side of the body to get more of a stretch in that tricep. Awesome job. Hook. Look over the left shoulder. Awesome job. Tricep stretch. Awesome. Let's do a couple inhales and exhales and we'll be all done. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale down. Back up. And you are all done for today. Awesome job, guys. I'll see you back up at the camera for our send-off. All right, guys, great job crushing your January Jackhammer challenge. I hope this bodyweight blitz was nice and challenging for you. It certainly was for me. I'm nice and sweaty now. So if you were like me and sweated bucket loads, I need you to get a lot of water into your body today, okay? Our bodies can't do anything without water. Our metabolisms can't work. We will feel sluggish. We will feel hungry if we don't have enough water. So enough said, drink your water. I need you to get a healthy post-workout meal on your plate 30 to 90 minutes after this workout. If you have any questions about what that might be or how to put that meal together, please email us at velvethammerfitness@gmail.com or comment down below. We also are offering online personal training, nutritional counseling, and coaching. So hit us up for that or for our 4-week glute growing program at velvethammerfitness@gmail.com as well. We would love to get you signed up and would love to help you carve the most fun and functional glutes you have ever had. So if you need to stretch some more, by all means, go ahead and stretch. Get that foam roller out if you have sore and angry muscles. Just take care of your body this week. Be thankful for what it can do. Try to, in this new year, be thankful for every accomplishment that you make. Don't think about where you'd like to be or where you once were. Think about how amazing it is that you can do what you can do today. So other than that, have an awesome week, guys. Love that difficult person extra hard. Maybe that's your New Year's resolution right there. I don't know. Keep making those next right choices, no matter how small, and just have a wonderful, wonderful rest of January. And until next time, guys, whether you felt like those endorphins that were pumping put you right into bodyweight bliss, or whether you felt pummeled by this bodyweight blitz workout, it is your health today and every day. So you know what you gotta do. You better hit it hard. Boom! Keep being awesome, Jackhammers, and I will see you for our next challenge.